Hey guys, welcome to K5PE, basketball skill building activity number 8. Today we're going to work on wraparounds, also referred to as around the back. We're going to do 100 dribbles. We'll do 25 25 with our strong hand, and we'll catch with two hands. Then we'll do 25 with our strong hand and dribble with one hand. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Before I do that, I should tell you, after we do the strong hand, 25 and 25, we will then turn to the weak hand, to our off hand, do 25 and 25 the same way. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So around the back dribble, this is the way that we're going to learn how to do it. In actual game speed, it might look like this. Just a way to change direction with the ball. But we're going to start with the basics. So, first thing we're going to do is you're going to get in your triple threat position. We're going to throw the first round with our strong hand, which for most of you is your right hand. So what we're going to do is stick our left leg out, right hand, left leg out, and we're going to get in this position almost like we're doing a lunge. Still have our hands in front of us. So we're simply going to wrap the ball around our body, throw it, let it bounce, and catch it with two hands. You don't want to throw it too far out because then you have to go get it. When you wrap this thing, and this is the reason that we put our left leg forward, because if we're here in our triple threat position, the ball has to go real wide to get around. And for many of you, you just don't have the arm length to be able to do that. Plus, you've never done this before. Makes it a little tricky. So stepping forward with that left leg will allow you to wrap the ball around. So, triple threat position, step forward with your left foot. You could even back up your right foot to give you some balance. And then you're simply going to take the ball from in front of you with two hands. This is not a legal dribble, by the way, if you're playing a game of basketball. But we're doing it to train ourselves and teach ourselves how to do it correctly in the end. So these are some necessary steps to get there. So, two hands. We're going to wrap the ball with one hand only, bounce it, and catch it. Do 25 of those. Afterwards, we'll get in that same position, but instead of catching it with two hands, we are going to dribble it with one hand. So, we're going to wrap with the right hand, dribble with the left. Then we'll catch. Wrap, dribble, catch. Wrap, dribble, catch. After we're done with that, we'll do the exact same thing with our left hand. 25, 25, that's 50. Then we'll switch to the other side. 25 and 25, that's 50. We'll end at 100. All right, here we go. You can do them along with me. I'll show you how I do them. If it takes you longer, take as much time as you need. If you need to modify it, go ahead. I encourage you to try to get to the 100. I think once you get into the 10s and 20s and 30s, this will start becoming easier and easier, and you'll finally get the hang of it. Again, you don't have to use the basketball for this, but you do need a ball that bounces. I suggest that you do find a basketball that you could use for the upcoming basketball skill building activities, but any ball that bounces will work. All right, here we go. Triple threat position. I'm going to step forward with my left to free up some space. I'm going to wrap with my right and catch with two. So here we go. Wrap, bounce, catch, that's one. Wrap, bounce, catch, that's two. Really wrap it around your body. Don't throw it over that direction. Wrap it so that it comes in front of your body. That's three. You can turn your body as you wrap it. So you turn, drop, turn back to catch. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go ahead and look at the ball. 10. Once you get better at it, see if you can do it without looking at the ball. 11, 12, 13, 14. You'll notice, even I'm having to look at the ball here. 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Give you a second to catch up. And remember, not all the drills that we do all the time are legal basketball plays, which is to say, when I wrap this thing and I catch it with two hands, that's legal, but then I can't dribble it again. That's illegal. If I were to grab the ball with two hands, I would have to pass it, shoot it, pivot, or if I lost control of it and someone took the possession and I got it back, then I could get that dribble back. But otherwise, you cannot catch it with two hands and then dribble it again. But since this is only a drill and we're trying to learn the steps necessary to teach us to do a around the back wrap dribble, this is the way that we do it. Okay, so now we're gonna go wrap and dribble. I'm gonna wrap with my right, dribble with my left. Wrap with my right, dribble with my left. One dribble each. One dribble with the right, which is the wrap dribble. One dribble with the left, which is how you gain control of it. Then we'll just catch it with two hands. So wrap, dribble. Wrap, dribble, left dribble. Right dribble, left dribble. Wrap, dribble, left dribble. 25. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you get the hang of it, try to speed it up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Give you a second to catch up, and then we'll just switch, and we're going to do it with the other side. Yeah, I'll stay here. All right, so now I'm going to do it with my left hand. So I'm going to get my triple threat. I'll step forward with my right leg because I'm going to wrap with my left hand. So here we go. Start in front. I'm going to do 25, wrap and catch. Wrap and catch, wrap and catch. And then I'll do 25, wrap and dribble. Wrap and dribble, wrap and dribble. Here we go. Keep those knees bent. Athletic position. Ready? 1, 2. You're really going to have to wrap this thing. It's harder with your offhand. Get your body to turn as you wrap. Once you drop it or throw it, then turn back and catch it quickly. Wrap, turn back and catch it quickly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Try not to throw it that direction. You want to wrap it all the way around your body so you're throwing it forward. 8. If it hits your leg, that's fine. That's better than it launching off far in the opposite direction. If it's hitting your body or hitting your leg, you're going down the right path. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You'll notice I'm still moving here. I'm still finding the rhythm of the dribble. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Give me a second to catch up. None of these are easy, especially if you just started playing this game. But you got to remember, just like anything else, the more you do it, the better you're going to get at it. So even if you have to modify it, maybe it's taking you too long. Maybe today you do 5 on each, or maybe you do 3. Heck, maybe even you do 1. The point is to get more comfortable with it, keep doing it, and the more you do it, the better you're going to get. So here we go. I started with 25 on the right, wrap and catch. 25 more, wrap and dribble. Then I went to my left. 25 wrap and catch. I'm now finishing with 25 wrap and dribble. Remember, my body's going to open up. It's going to twist as I wrap the ball. I'm going to dribble it. Then I'll dribble it again and catch it. So here we go. Wrap and dribble. Wrap and dribble. 2. Wrap and dribble. 3. Wrap and dribble. 4. Wrap and dribble. Make sure your right leg is in front, because if you're still standing in that triple threat, it's going to be really hard to get that ball around. Make your body straight. Put one foot in front of the other, so you can really wrap this thing. Wrap, dribble, 7, dribble, 8, wrap, dribble. And I'm going to show you how I would do it if I was really practicing this. I'm going to do it with speed, try to keep my head up, and try to really push the limit of how fast I could do this thing. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 25. All right, that'll do it. 100 dribbles total. That's it for basketball skill building activity number 8. I'll see you next time for skill building activity number 9.